Okay, we'll start new chapter, integration. Now for this, 7 marks will come, 2 marks will come, 18 marks. Okay, as per the old portion which is there, means nothing is deleted. Some last part of the syllabus they have deleted, so definitely you can expect 7 marks, 2 marks. What is integration? We know sin x derivative is cos x, tan x derivative secant square x, and e power x derivative e power x, log x derivative 1 by x. So we know derivative of sin x is cos x, tan x derivative secant square x, e power x derivative e power x, log x derivative 1 by x. The reverse. So we are finding here derivative, we are finding here derivative, we are finding derivative, but the reverse means integration of cos x dx is sin x plus c. One constant we have tried always. I will tell you in the last why we are writing this constant. So cos x is the derivative of sin x. That is what we reverse. So if I say cos x, integration of cos x is sin x. Similarly, secant square x dx, it is derivative of tan x. Means here we are writing secant square x, for which one it is derivative? Tan x. That's why it is called reverse process. Similarly, 1 by x dx is log x plus c. So means what? Once you know the derivatives, then integration will be easy. Okay, take a derivative serial also. So cos x, integration of cos x. When you are writing here, you have to write cos x and dx, secant square x dx, and 1 by x dx. Okay, so we have to write the function, then dx, function dx always, not dx secant square x, sir. This is first point, and always the symbol is like this, s symbol. Okay, this is sin x plus c, then secant square x is tan x plus c, 1 by x is log x. Okay, so here it is called reverse process. So now I will write the formulas. What do you mean by formulas? Please understand here. Now I will write the first derivatives, then integration. Sin x derivative cos x, integration of cos x dx is sin x, right? Next, cos x derivative minus sin x, integration of sin x dx is minus cos x. We should not write minus sign here, sir. Okay, so sin x derivative integration is minus cos x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Integration of secant square x dx is tan x plus c. Next, integration of derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x dx is minus cot x plus c. Derivative of secant x tan x. Integration of secant x tan x dx is secant x plus c. Next, derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x. Then integration of cosecant x cot x is minus cosecant x, right? Next, log x derivative 1 by x, integration of 1 by x log x. Next, plus c. Okay, e power x derivative e power x, integration of e power x is e power x plus c, right? Next, sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square, again integration of 1 minus x square dx is sin inverse x plus c. Next, derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. I am writing derivative, then I am writing integration. Next, secant inverse x derivative 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So integration of dx is secant inverse x plus c. Now a power x derivative, a power x log a. Observe here, what is the a power x derivative? A power x log a. Therefore is equal to a power x by log a. Here we are multiplying, here we have to divide a power x by log a. Okay, this formula is very, very important. So we have seen standards. So we know all these derivatives and integrations. Okay, so please note down this. There are some more formulas will come. Next, x derivative 1, integration of 1 dx is x. Okay, sometimes we write simply dx, we don't write 1. So remember, whenever I say integration of dx, it is x, sir. We don't need to write 1 dx. Then root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. Therefore integration of 1 by root x, 2 root x plus c. Then 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square plus c. Right? Now up to here we know the formulas we are writing. And last one is known formulas. Constant derivative 0. Integration of 0 is constant. Okay, derivative of constant is 0, integration of 0. Don't say it 0 into anything is 0, but we are writing integration. Integration of 0 is constant. Now up to here, known formula, integration. Now what we'll write? Directly formulas. The direct formulas. Integration of tan x, log of secant x. And integration of cot x, log of sin x, and integration of secant x, log of secant x plus tan x, and integration of cosecant x, log of cosecant x minus cot x. These are direct formulas. Integration of tan x, integration of cot x, integration of secant x, integration of cosecant x. The most important formula. Integration of x power n. N should not be equal to minus 1. Okay, n should not be equal to minus 1. What is integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This formula is very, very important. So here we are writing derivative, then we are writing integration. But here this is direct formulas. Means how these values will come when we discuss the methods. I will tell you how this will come, that we will discuss. Okay, these formulas can be derived. So integration of x power n. Okay, this is you have to remember. And remember the identities we should know. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. We will be using this formula, sir. Then sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x or 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Then cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, and 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x, then 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. These formulas why I am giving is, we will be using these formulas in the problem, sir. Okay, sin 2x, cos 2x, then tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, and sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Remember these formulas I gave every time, we don't need to write again and again. So here, so these are the formulas which we should know compulsorily. Once we start integration, These formulas we should know. Okay, let us see some simple problems. Okay, first, integration of x cube. Here, which formula I am applying? X power n integration. Here n value is what, sir? 3. So this becomes x power 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1. X power 4 by 4 plus 3. So simplest problem. What is the simplest problem? X cube. For example, integration of cube root of x. So this can be written x power 1 by 3. What that? Cube root of x means x power 1 by 3. Again, same formula. X power 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1. So x power 4 by 3 by 4 by 3 plus c. Okay. So only to make you understand how to apply the formula. This type of problems may not be given, but to make you understand. Okay. Next. Okay. X root x. Don't think there is a UV formula in integration. We will not discuss about UV formula in integration, will not be there. That is a different formula. So x root x is there. So what I will write? X power 1 into x power 1 by 2. So root x means x power 1 by 2. Here x. So this becomes x power 3 by 2 dx, because 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. Now apply the formula. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1. So this becomes x power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. So what I have done? X into root x means x power 1 into x power 1 by 2. Okay. X power 3 by 2. For example, if it is like this, open the bracket. X square dx, x square into x is x cube. Right? So x square dx minus x cube. So this becomes x cube by 3, x power 4 by 4 plus c. Now directly, plus 1. You understand x square means 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 1. Here 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. For example, he will give you like this, integration of x square plus 1. So x square plus 1, first we expand, x power 4, 2x square plus 1, integration. So a plus b whole square formula. Now I will separate them. Observe here, x power 4, this 2 should be outside of integration, x square, 1 dx. What is x power 4? X power 5 by 5, 2 into x cube by 3, 1 dx is x. I told you integration of 1 dx is x. So x power 5 by 5, 2x cube by 3. Okay. Next. Again, x power 4 minus 1 by x square, sorry, plus 1 by x square minus 2 into x square into 1 by x. You know a minus b whole square formula. X power 4, 1 by x square minus 2x. So we have to find integration for this. Okay, I am writing dx. Okay, now integration of x power 4 dx. So I am applying a minus b also. Observe here, integration of x dx. So x power 4 is x power 5 by 5, and 1 by x square integration minus 1 by x. We have done integration of 1 by x square, standard formula. What is that? Minus 1 by x. That's what I said. I gave the formulas. Please learn that formulas are. Formulas నేర్చుకుంటారా అప్పుడే వస్తాయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అని. నెక్స్ట్ హియర్ minus 2 into here x power 1. So x square by 2 plus c. Means what? It's only we are applying x power n formula concepts, sir. So every problem if you observe, we are simply expanding a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, then simplifying. Okay, please note on this. Now, x plus 1 by x whole cube. Now observe here, a plus b whole cube formula. X cube 1 by x square so x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3x square into 1 by x plus 3x into 1 by x square. X cube 1 by x cube, x will get cancelled 3x, x will get cancelled 3 by x. Observe here, a cube plus b cube 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now here x cube. Now I am putting integration symbol. Now Observe here. X cube integration x power 4. But what about 1 by x cube? Okay, we'll write this later. This can be written. So I am bringing x cube to numerator. So x power minus 3. This is very, very important. 1 by x cube I am writing x power 3 plus 3 into x dx plus 3 into 1 by x is x power minus 1. I gave one formula. Please everybody understand here. N is not should not equal to 1. What is the condition? N should not be equal to 1. So I cannot consider this. What will happen? We will see. This is the condition, sir. N should not be equal to 1. N value 1 into what, sir? So here what is the value? Whether 1 or minus 1. N should not be equal to minus 1. Okay, N should not be equal to minus 1. So what will happen? 1 by x dx is there. So N should not be equal to minus 1. So now what will happen? X cube means x power 4 minus 1 plus 3 plus 3 into x square by 2. Now we know 1 by x integration is log x. What is the 1 by x integration? Log x. 3 into 1 by x integration log x. Here what I have done? Minus 3 plus 1. So this becomes x power 4 x power minus 2 plus 3x square by 2 plus 3 log x plus c. Right? So here we should not have, numerator should not be minus 1. Now for example, if it gives like this, okay, we have to find integration for this. So first what I will do, 2 plus x into 2 minus x, 2 plus x into 2 minus x, 4 minus x square, a plus b into a minus b. So 4 minus x square will come. Again multiply 1 into 4, 4, 1 into x square minus x square plus 4x minus x cube. So what I have done? 2 plus x into 2 minus x, 4 minus x square, 1 plus x into 1 minus x square. Open the bracket, 4 minus x square plus 4x minus x cube. Now put integration. Keep 4 outside of the integration. What I have done? 4 into 1 dx minus x square dx plus 4 into x dx minus x cube into dx. So what will happen? 4 into integration of 1 is x minus x cube by 3 plus 4x square by 2 minus x power 4 by 4. So here what I have done? First I have multiplied these two, then open the bracket. Okay, same model, one more row. Okay, what are 2 plus x, 1 plus 2x plus 3x plus 4 dx. So first I will try to do 2 plus x as this, multiply these two, sir. 1 into 3x, 3x, 1 into 4, 4, 2x into 3x, 6x square, 2x into 4, 8x. So we are multiplying this. Now final, before doing any simplification, yes sir, we can do. Here 3x plus 8x, 11x plus 4 plus 6x square. Okay, open the bracket. 22x plus 8 plus 12x square plus 11x square plus 4x plus 6x cube. Now final simplification. Now we write first x cube term, sir. X cube, 12x square plus 11x square, 23x square, then plus 22x plus 8, sorry, 26x. Here 22x plus 4x is there, 26x. So what I have done, after simplification I have put every term. Now put integration, simple. Plus 8 into integration of 1. So what will happen? 6x power 4 by 4 plus 23x cube by 3 plus 26x square by 2 plus 8x plus c. Observe here, we have applied a plus b whole cube formula, open the bracket, open the bracket. So it is the same. Again we are applying what formula? X power n formula only. Okay, please note down this. Next. Now 1 by 1 plus cos 2x. So we know very well 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x dx. 1 plus cos 2x formula 2 cos square x. So 1 by cos square is secant square x. 1 by 2, 1 by cos square is secant square. What is integration of secant square? Tan x plus c. So formula we should know. What is the formula of 1 by cos 2x? Similarly, 1 by 1 minus cos 2x. So again 1 by 2 sin square x, which is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by sin is cosecant square x dx. Okay, so 1 by 2 minus cot x plus c. So we are applying the formula. Now for example, what is integration of tan square x? We do not have, for integration of tan x is there, integration of secant square x is there. We don't have tan square x, but we know 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. Therefore, tan square x is secant square x minus 1. Therefore, this becomes secant square x dx minus 1 dx. So, tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1. So, integration of secant square x is tan x, 1 dx is x. Similarly, integration of cot square x. So, what will happen? 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. Therefore, cot square x is equal to cosecant square x minus 1. So, I am substituting the value minus 1 dx. So, integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x minus x. Here also we have converted tan square as secant square x, here cot square x. Now, most important, many times he has given for 2 marks. This problem is very, very important, sir. Cosecant square x into secant square x. Okay. What is cosecant square x? 1 by sin square x cos square x dx. So, cosecant square 1 by sin square, secant square is 1 by cos square. Numerator 1 is there. I can write cos square x plus sin square x by sin square x cos square x dx. So, 1 can be written sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now, separate them. What I mean by separate? Cos square x by sin square x cos square x plus dx plus sin square x by sin square x cos square x integration dx. So, 1 cos square will get cancelled, 1 by sin square x dx, 1 sin square will get cancelled, 1 by cos square x dx. Again I have explained. Cosecant square x is 1 by sin square, secant square is 1 by cos square. So, both I have written in the denominator, and 1 can be written sin square theta plus cos square theta. So, sin cos square x plus sin square x by sin square cos square. Separate them, cos square by sin square cos square, sin square by sin square cos square. So, cos square will get cancelled, 1 by sin square. What is 1 by sin square? Cosecant square x plus this is secant square x. So, integration of this plus integration of secant square x. So, this because this. So, we have seen how to apply trigonometric formulas. Okay, let us see. Next, 1 by 1 plus sin x. So, I will rationalize this. So, what I have done? Rationalize the denominator. So, numerator is 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x, 1 minus sin square x. So, this is by cos square x dx. So, what I have done? 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square is cos square. Now, separate them. Dx. So, 1 by cos square is secant square x minus 1 cos x I am taking. So, sin by cos will be tan and 1 cos is left over. So, this is nothing but sin by cos x into cos x. So, So sine by cos is tan, 1 by cos is secant. So it becomes integration of tan x secant x. So integration of secant square x is tan x. Tan x secant x is secant x plus. So we are rationalize this. Same model, 1 by 1 minus cos x. What is that? I have written 1 by 1 minus cos x. Again rationalize. Dx. So by 1 minus cos square x. So integration of 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos square is sin square x. Right? So this becomes integration of sin square x dx minus cos x by sin square dx. Here sin x is there, here cos x is there. 1 by sin square is cosecant square x dx minus 1 sin x will give you cos by sin is cot cosecant x. So integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. Cot x cosecant is minus cosecant minus cosecant x. So plus cosecant x. So integration of cot x cosecant is minus cosecant x. So minus of minus will become plus. So what we have done? Rationalize the denominator, convert this. Okay. Next, simplest one. 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So what is 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sin square x. 1 plus cos x, 2 cos square x dx. So 2 will get cancelled. Integration of tan square x dx. So what I have done? I have applied a formula. So I got tan square x. Again which identity? Tan square x is equal to secant square x. Therefore tan square x is nothing but secant square x minus 1. So this becomes minus 1 dx. So again we have done this directly, we have done from here. Now here we are getting. So what will happen? Tan x minus x plus. Right? So I have done some sample problems of integration with the formulas. Okay, and these are simple direct methods, sir. Okay, tomorrow what we are discussing is very important, substitution method. That you have to understand. We will be doing so many problems. Final in the examination, one cosecant square x, secant square x will be given in examination many times, and these type of problems will be given. Okay, tomorrow what we are going to discuss is most important, that is substitution method. Please don't miss, go through that video properly, sir.